Hello, hello, hello. It's Lisa with Fossil Finding Female and Easy and exercise with me here at Elephant Butte near TRC in New Mexico. And I thought I would walk along here a little bit and see if we can find any special stones or fossils or something just have to get. Looks interesting already. See what that is there. No, this one. Kinda looks like a tool, but maybe not. Oh, that's a pretty rock. That looks like actually petrified wood. Huh. Of course, I didn't bring anything to put any of these I might want in. Silly. Let's see, we have a vast area to walk. I'm not going to walk that far, but see what we can find out here just for a moment or so. No, this one's a pretty one. Got plenty of that though. Okay, let's see if I can get out of the It's very light. I don't remember what this stuff is called, but I like it. This one is green and blue and sorts of cool colors in it. Usually when, I've noticed anyway, when you're by the lake or water, seems to have some really cool stones laying around. Like that one's really pretty. That one's pretty too. Tumble it possibly and make it as a necklace. There's another really pretty green, dark green one. Can't wait to get my camera in a couple days. That's going to be exciting. So difficult. Well, look at this one. This one's a good, cool find. Wow, I like that one. Definitely taking that one. I notice when I just get down, bending my knees, I can see so much more. My eyes go bad, such a drag. Okay. Another pretty one, but I've got plenty of those. This right here is a nice one. Looks like amber. This looks like a tool. I like that one. These light ones are really nice so you don't have to carry big old heavy rocks and stones everywhere. This one kind of looks worked. Look at that. Wow, I like that one too. Already some good signs that there's some good stuff around here. Huh. That's a nice one. heart right there on that one. That one too. Hope everyone's doing well. Today is the 27th of November, 2022. It's a gorgeous day here by the lake. Came up to meet a gorgeous friend of mine. And on my way out, but I had to stop. Just had to. You know, if you like to look around at new places, you surely can't pass up this place. This is really nice. Lots to choose from. Well, look at that. It's either a chipping or it got broke somehow of like an arrowhead. That one's mighty cool too. Wowzer. I guess I should have brought a bag to put them in. Yeah. Got a little critter on there. Or an ant or something. Could be. Another odd looking one. Let's see what else we can find here. Nah. My pants are gonna fall down after I put too many in them. Too many in them. It's a nice green looking soda light or something. I'm not sure exactly what kind of. Oh, this is a nice heart. Look at that. Huh. Well. It's a nice looking note too. That one does look like it has been worked. That's a pretty color in there, blues. Wow. Onyx, maybe? Well. That's a nice one too. Look at that. Shoot. And then this right here look like a nice heart. But the bigger they are, the more bulky they are in my pocket. Oh, don't complain, Lisa. Just be grateful. I am. Oops, you can't see that way. Sorry. In the way, in the light. That one does look like a tool. So I found a few tools already now. I haven't barely even moved from where my vehicle is. That's just means there's lots and lots of cool stuff to find around here. That also looks like it's been worked. Wow. There's actually quite a lot of possibility here, since already I have found quite a few tools and just cool looking rocks. Whew-wee. What do you think about that one? It's so light. Here's a nice big quartz. My hands are full though. That means I really can't pick any more up. I can look around, but wouldn't that be terrible to find some? I already see some I want. Crazy. Crazy over these stones. That one's interesting, so is that one. Ooh, and look at that one. I don't know how well you can see, but that's really nice, shiny on one side. It's just an interesting shape of a rock. Let's look a little bit more. Oh, there's a nice piece here. Ooh, and that one is really nice. Smaller's better because I can carry them. Here's a little heart-looking one. Okay, here's a cool one right here. And this one's pretty nice too. Well, it's already been 12 minutes. I can't believe how fast it goes when you're out here just looking around. Time flies. Look at this. That one does kind of look like it's been worked also. My hands aren't gonna hold no more. But I bet you I'll try. It's a pretty color. It's like a purple. Wow. I'll just have to come out here and spend a day just filming and looking to see what's all throughout all this land over here, because it is really, really nice. It's a nice piece there. Wow, there's a nice piece right here. Look at that. That is worked for sure. Make a good scraper. Okay. Well, guys, I just thought I'd come go on make a video real quick, show you what I was up to with the fossil finding female, trying to find some cool looking fossils and just stones period to make like jewelry. And now that my hands are so full, I'm trying to stick them in my pocket. Wow. So thanks for joining me. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your Sunday, and I will see you next time. Bye.